Welcome to 3 for the Road RV. I'm Lee.
I'm Wally.
Hi, Summer.
And we want you to join us as we travel and work camp our way across the states. We're going to be sharing recipes that are not only easy to prepare while you're on the road, but they're even quite healthy at times as well. And we will review campgrounds that we stay in, places that we go to eat, and we'll even share our feelings of different foods that we will be trying. And we will also share our experiences of what it's like to raise our adopted granddaughter in our 50s. And let's not forget, we're also going to show a little bit about our faith. So remember, subscribe
Like,
and ring that bell, and always take the scenic route.